exciting video. So this time we have created a new robot, which is an AI robot. So as you all have known, earlier from last few days, number of YouTubers are uploading their videos on YouTube, and they have created the same kind of AI robots, but number of robots have different drawbacks with that designs. For example, some researchers and YouTubers are using standard firmata. In a standard firmata, we use a serial communication to interface your embedded device with a Python environment or with any Python environment by using a serial communication. So we have a restrictions there. You can control the hardware, but you have to maintain the serial communication there to operate that and to work with that environment by using a serial communication. So similar like that, some of the researchers have used a SC05 module which get easily interfaced with your Arduino boards and other development boards, and by using that Bluetooth you can operate and navigate your robot. But in our situation, we have used a very advanced technique there. So to replace the standard firmata, which support only older version of Python, and similar like that, if you want to work with a standard firmata serial communication, that is SC05, you also have to work with the older versions of Python. But if you want to work with the advanced versions of Python, then this design is what very perfect for that. So in this design, what we have used L298N motor driver. With that we have used a ESP32 microcontroller which support a Wi-Fi. So because of this Wi-Fi, the range of this robot is what high as compared to SC05 Bluetooth module, and serial communicator we don't have to discuss on that, because we have to connect the robot continuously by using a connecting cables in a standard firmata and serial communication. So it is going to enhance the performance of that. Similar like that, to operate this robot, we just need a Wi-Fi connection. We need an internet connection there. By using a web server, this robot is going to send the command to a Python, and it is going to receive the command by using a web server link. Okay, so this is what the basic approach of working. To operate this robot with a Python, we are using a MediaPip there. So in a MediaPip, we use hand gestures, and by using this hand gesture, by using the finger count, we are going to operate this robot, and we are going to navigate in a different direction. For example, if one finger is there, then it is going to move into a forward. For say, 2 fingers, it is going to move in the backward direction. For 3, rightward, and for 4, leftward direction. So these 5 instructions we have provided to navigate this robot. With this, we can also make a change by using hand gestures. Also, we can control this robot. The real motive behind designing this robot is to use the advanced technique, that is Wi-Fi. First, we have a Wi-Fi there. Then we have a web server link. And because of the Wi-Fi and web server link, it is going to enhance the connectivity, and it is going to operate very well as compared to older version which follows the standard firmata and serial communication and SC05 module. So without wasting any time, I am going to show you the demo of this robot. So guys, without wasting any time, I am going to provide you a demo of this wonderful and exciting project. So as I have told you, after running a Python script, it is going to turn on your webcam, and after turning it on, when I am going to raise my 5 fingers, at that time we are going to send the command stop to your ESP32 microcontroller by using a web server and by using a Wi-Fi connectivity. So as I have told you, this is the hardware. So when I am going to raise my 1 finger, at that time we are going to send the command forward. When I am going to show the finger count 2, at that time it is going to rotate the motors into a backward direction, and it is going to move into a back direction. Then when I am going to show the 3 fingers, that is, it have to move into a rightward direction, and when I am going to raise a 4 finger, at that situation, robot is going to move into a left direction. So this is how our AI robot is to work by using a MediaPip. And when I am going to raise my 5 fingers, at that time, the robot stops working. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, then do follow, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want any help related with this project, then do a message to me. My mail ID is there in the description. You can contact me, and we can help you to build such kind of a project. Thank you.